Hey, what's up, everyone? It's great to be back. I'm recording this straight from my garage, guy. Yeah, it's a little noisy and kind of messy, but hey, that's life. We're keeping it real. Now, Bitcoin is sitting around $102,000 per coin. Markets felt heavy. And yeah, you can thank the Feds for that. Jerome Powell spoke last week, and he said there's no guarantees of rate cuts any soon. He said the economy is still hot, inflation sticky, and rates will stay high until things change. Then he added, stocks are fairly highly valued, and deadline hit like a brick. Stocks dropped, fear spread, and Bitcoin caught the wave. If you've been here a while, you already know how this game works. But for the newer folks, let me slow it down a bit. Now, when interest rates go up, money get expensive. People borrow less. Business hold back. There's less money moving around, and that means less fuel for asset prices to rise. When rates go down, it flips. Money is cheap. People borrow, spend, and invest more. That's when you see stock, housing, and Bitcoin start moving fast. So when Powell said we're not ready to cut, man, the market didn't panic out of emotion. It reacted because the math changed. Less liquidities means slower movement. That's how it's work. The smart money gets it. They know the Feds cannot keep rate higher forever. Something always breaks. And when that happens, the floodgates open again. That's when Bitcoin make its move. So what should investors do right now? Stay calm. Don't chase pump. Don't sell in panic. Protect your capital. Use money you can hold for long term, not rent money, guys. No rent money to invest in Bitcoin. Keep that in a safe place. Keep stacking small amounts. It doesn't matter. Consistency. Think in years, not weeks. Your job isn't to times the market. It's to survive in it and learn. Seriously, take times to understand what you own. Conviction is what keeps you steady when everyone else is losing it. October closed in red. Yes, for the first time since 2018. That scares a lot of people, but it's not the end. It's a reset. Too much greed, too much leverage. The system cooling off, building a stronger base. Bitcoin dropped hard, but bounced back fast from around $98,000 back to $102,000 and still standing strong. That's what real resilience looks like. Now we're heading into November, one of Bitcoin's strongest month in history. Not saying it's a guarantee, but pattern matter. ETFs are still pulling in money. Long-term holders aren't selling. Adoption still climbing, even if the headlines ignores it. Inflation, tariff, trade tensions are still here. And that's the point. The world's unstable and Bitcoins exist for exactly that reason. It's the one asset no one can print, freeze, or seize. Now, let me ask you something. Do you really understand what you're holding? You're holding the rarest, hardest assets in human history. Do you have conviction? Any conviction? Do you believe that Bitcoin can hit $1 million per coin? Because if you believe that, what stops? It's from 10 million or 100 millions? This isn't a short game, it's a long investment. If you want fast win or fast losses, go trade, day trade, swing trade, chase volatilities if that's your thing. But me, I stack Satoshi bit by bit, weeks after week. Because stacking isn't gambling, it's a plan for the future prosperity and freedom. Now, the Feds can talk all at once. Markets can panic. Medias can twist the story. But Bitcoin doesn't care. It runs on code, not emotion, not politics. So I ask you again, are you watching from the sideline or are you building conviction? Because those who know what they hold right now, they'll look back one day and say, I stayed patient when everyone else panicked. Now, before I wrap this up, thank you, really. Thank you for sticking around while I get everything back in order. Love you all for being here. I'll be back soon, stronger, sharper, and ready to keep this going. And guys, my friend, don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.